In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Pipedrive. By the end, your Pipedrive account will be linked with your Google Drive so you can quickly attach files to deals, people and activities without leaving your CRM. This is a simple one-time setup, and I'll walk you through it clearly. Start by opening Pipedrive and looking to the top right corner of your screen. Click your profile icon to open the account menu. From that drop-down, choose Personal Preferences. This is where you control how your account behaves and which tools it connects to. On the left-hand sidebar of the Personal Preferences page, find and click Google Drive. This section is dedicated to connecting your Pipedrive to your drive so documents can be accessed right where you work. Now click the green Connect to Google Drive button. This begins the authorization process between Pipedrive and Google. If your browser blocks pop-ups, make sure to allow them so the Google sign-in window can appear. When prompted, select the Google account you want to use. If you work with multiple accounts, pick the one that holds the files you plan to access in Pipedrive. Choosing the correct account now will help you avoid confusion later. Next, click Continue. You'll see a list of permissions that Pipedrive is requesting for your Google Drive. These are needed so Pipedrive can display, attach, and manage files inside your deals and contacts. Review them, and when you're comfortable, approve the requested Google Drive access. It's a standard part of connecting third-party tools to Google services, and you can manage or revoke access from your Google account settings at any time. After granting access, click Continue again to finish. Give it a moment to complete the handshake between the two services. Once that's done, you'll see confirmation that your Google Drive is connected and ready to use. From here, your integration is active. That means when you work inside Pipedrive, you can attach files from Google Drive without downloading or re-uploading them. It also keeps your documents organized in one place, so your team can find the latest versions quickly. If you ever switch Google accounts or need to adjust the connection, you can return to the same Google Drive section in Personal Preferences to manage it. That's it. You've successfully connected Google Drive to Pipedrive. With this integration in place, you'll save time, reduce file chaos, and keep conversations, deals, and documents aligned in your CRM. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother workflow.